Mass shootings in America have become all too common, from Mandalay Bay to Uvalde and Parkland High School, even one in our own backyard at Brooklyn Homes. In a number of these mass shootings, response times and inaction came under intense scrutiny with law enforcement. Now, a local developer in Prince George's County is creating a technology called PerVista that could reduce response times and notify law enforcement almost immediately.
People go back and look at camera footage after the fact. What we're trying to do is to make sure that police are deployed before something happens, before a call is made.
Every second matters in a mass shooting. However, for Vennard Wright, this innovative idea came about after a recent school bus incident in Prince George's County that showed 3 teens attempting to ambush and shoot another student on a school bus earlier this year.
And thankfully, the gun misfired, but that sparked a conversation with our existing state's attorney, Aisha Braveboy, where we went to lunch and she asked me, she said, Vennard, what can we do to solve this problem?
And thus came a solution by way of PerVista, a sophisticated software that leverages artificial intelligence to analyze video streams from surveillance cameras in real time.
And what we're doing is we're going frame by frame, and we've created a data set of known firearms, and what it's doing is analyzing against what it sees for a match in the database.
Vennard and his team coded PerVista to detect long guns and assault-style rifles, which have historically been used in mass shootings.
So what you're seeing up on the screen is that PerVista is picking up in real time that there is a firearm detected, and public safety officials are being notified in real time.
Wow.
So PerVista has the ability to be able to send email messages, SMS messages. So not only are alerts coming up on the screen, and think about this being a security guard who's looking,
who's just monitoring what's
going on.
And
they're monitoring, so they're seeing these alerts, but text messages are coming through as well.
And you also said it also contrasts colors, dark colors.
That's
so
right.
If this young lady was wearing all black and the gun is black, she's trying to press up against her, this camera would still pick that up.
That's right. And you can see in some of the frames that it is still picking up even when the firearm is directly in front of her.
Indoor and outdoor drones are also part of PerVista's blueprint to empower police with as much information as possible to save lives.
That drone is deployed, and we're making sure that in addition to that, we have a floor plan of the building so we know where to send the drone inside. And places where it's restricted because of doors or some other lack of access, that's where the outdoor drone comes in, and they can look in the windows and see from the outside on higher floors where people couldn't see themselves.
So back to the main question, can AI and drones help prevent the next mass shooting? Well, time will tell, but after sitting down with local police chiefs, sheriffs, school administrators, and stakeholders, Wright says universally they all believe this innovative safety tool could be an asset to their deployment tactics no matter the geographic location.
So if it's deployed to the city of Morningside, it can be different from what we're doing for the city of Bowie or for the city of Baltimore. But number one, we want to make sure we're working closely with public safety officials to know exactly how they want us to communicate, and also what other tools they want us to integrate with. Tools like ShotSpotter that they might have purchased. So we do want to leverage the existing investment, but also want to make sure we're accounting for any technology they might own already as well.
The world of artificial intelligence and technology being used as a tool to fight crime and save lives. Cutting edge today, but could soon become the norm tomorrow. I'm Stephon Dingle for WJZ.